How to use the law of attraction to be successful on YouTube. Two of the most discussed topics on YouTube are the law of attraction and how to be successful on YouTube. So for you, I've combined the two topics into a beautiful video called How to Use the Law of Attraction to Be a Successful YouTuber. Here we go. My name is Lori, and I'm your self-appointed positivity princess. I'm here spreading happiness and positivity. I would love to help each and every one of you to live your best life and to be happier than you've ever been in your life. Let's go. Step 1, to use the law of attraction to become a successful YouTuber. You're going to define what it means to you to be a successful YouTuber. What exactly is a successful YouTuber? Is it the 1,000 subscribers to be able to monetize? Is it having viral videos or 4,000 watch hours? Is it the idea of being able to quit your day job and do YouTube full-time? You have to decide exactly what successful is. This is your first step. Step 2, research it. What do YouTubers do to prepare for videos? What do YouTubers do all day anyways? How long do they spend on self-care? What do they eat? How do they get sponsors? Don't worry about all this how. Don't worry about how to become a successful YouTuber necessarily. That will come to you with greatness, with good content, with your contagious personality. You will be there one day, one way or another. Okay, step number 3, how to use the law of attraction to be a successful YouTuber. You're going to script it out. You're going to write out what being a successful YouTuber looks like to you. Write a day in the life. Here's mine. When you script, you have to be vivid and detailed. Include small details, every small detail, even if it seems trivial. Keep in mind, the universe loves specificity. It wants to please you. In your ideal life, as the ideal version of you, answer the following questions. Where do you live? Who are you with? What are you wearing? How often do you upload a video? What are your videos about? And don't forget, you're going to consider how am I going to promote myself? How do you spend your off hours? How do you remain mindful? Include all of this. Step 4, visualize it. Now that you have all of the details written down, use the power of your imagination to make it happen. As you are becoming sleepy, as you are entering into that theta state brainwave, imagine that scenario of you waking up to log into your computer and your video from yesterday has gone viral. That is what Jake Ducey did before his mega YouTube success. This can be very fun. Remember, not even the sky is the limit. There is no limit when it comes to your imagination. The only limit is the one you set for yourself. Step 5, this one's easy. Be a YouTuber. Be one. Be a successful YouTuber in thoughts, feelings, and actions. Make YouTubing a priority. Make a video every day if you can. If you do this by setting up your inner world to reflect this, your outer world will in turn reflect it as well. Be confident, be happy, be positive, be an authority over your topic. Just do it. Remember, the universe will bring you any resources you require, right when you need it. Be it a person, a book, or a piece of information, it will be there. Promote yourself and your videos and be proud. Stop introducing yourself as a small YouTuber or a new YouTuber. Just be a YouTuber. This is what Aaron Doughty did to become a YouTuber. Despite the fact that he was selling women's shoes, and he wasn't able to embrace that fully and find happiness there, he decided to just start making YouTube videos daily. Now he is very successful. He's a great example to set for all of us. Last but not least, step 6 is do not see other successful YouTubers as better than you. Do not place them on a pedestal. You can use them as an example or as inspiration, but don't put them on a pedestal. If you do, you are mentally placing them above you, and therefore the universe will keep it that way. See you and that other YouTuber as two of the same. You can have anything that they can have. The YouTube universe is like an ocean. You keep hearing this, right? You can get lost in that ocean, or on the flip side, do the positive twist. You could also realize that in that ocean, there's room for everyone. There's something for everyone. In this beautiful, friendly, abundant universe, if anyone can be a successful YouTuber, so can you. Okay? Thank you so much for watching. Please give it a thumbs up if you are so inclined. And remember, subscribe so you don't miss my next video. I'm going to be talking more about some practical ways to use visualizing and some steps to follow. Please leave a comment. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you are a budding YouTuber. Or heck, don't even call yourself a small or new YouTuber. Just say, I'm a YouTuber as well, even if you have 1 subscriber. And I'll subscribe to you. Okay, so thank you so much for watching, and be positive.